appreciate you checking out this video. Before I continue, I want you to go to theultimatejetguide.com, where I've put together a full guide for jet buyers like yourself.
You know, pre-buy is not to determine value, it's to determine airworthiness. So
That's a great point.
again, right? You want to bring an airplane to somebody that's never seen the airplane before, that isn't already maintaining it. You want them to give you an independent opinion as to what its airworthiness and condition is. And then that gives you a second round of negotiating with the seller. Now, in a perfect situation, there's nothing wrong and you close, but in a really horrific situation, you find all sorts of stuff wrong.
I always tell people pre-buy, like you said, not to provide value. It's to know what you're getting into. Because I think a lot of guys come to the table and they expect a pre-buy to, to show that the plane's perfect.
Right.
It's like, no, there's going to be something wrong with it.
Yeah.
You just got to know what you're getting into.
Most people think it's like going to BMW and having them give you like a certified pre-owned sheet. Like, we went through every, and it's just not how it works. Nobody wants to tear apart an airplane to put it back together again to deal with all those expenses. So they look for things that are easy to look for and things that are commonly found. And I have a really, really good friend who's been in aviation for a long time. And he said to me one day, he's like, pre-buys are just like a level of comfort. He's like, honestly, he's like, the thing could break tomorrow after a pre-buy. He's like, it's a snapshot in time. He's like, you just got to accept the fact that, that's what you're dealing with here. You're comfortable at that moment, but even a new airplane can be squawked.
Yes.
The same day.
Yeah. So I've had planes come fresh out of, phase 1 through 5 inspections. And,
oh yeah,
all of a sudden the pressure ratio is all jacked up the next time they take it after delivery. You're like, what the heck?
And it's not there's no such thing as perfect. I gave up on that word a long time ago, being in aviation. Now
it's clean. It's clean.
It's clean. Yeah, it's got a, yeah. Well, I've seen clean airplanes too that are pigs, with lipstick. I mean, it's just, it's all relative. I mean, honestly, that's why I say it's popularity.
I love that.
You don't want to buy a plane that nobody else wants. You don't want to sell a plane that nobody else wants. And you don't want to go to the vendor market and try and support a plane that nobody else wants.